Hi, today I'm producing Xiaomi Redmi 12C and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on that device. So first we should hold the empty space on the home screen of our phone and then we'll see here widgets icon. Just tap once on this icon and after that we'll see here all the available applications what widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar schedule. Just to add the widget, we should just hold the widget and drag it to our home screen. If you wanna move the widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold the widget and drag it by this way. To reset it, we should just hold it for a while and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And to remove it from our home screen, we should just hold it and drag it to remove icon or just hold it and tap to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.